here's our hoping vacuum. That I name it, and that one's cleaning right there. And the one that's over there is Sleepy. That one's Sleepy. Say hello to Sleepy. And that, you know what this name was?
What is it?
That one's Queenie. And this is our giant floor that's dirty, and that one's cleaning it. You can buy this at Amazon or I don't know. It keeps on working, and you don't need, and there's no remote, and there's two convertibles. It comes from two convertibles. Comes from two machines. I think it charges over there.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. If you want to get this, you gotta buy it on Amazon. It has two propellers. If you lose one, there's another one, and there's a lot of material. And two of these have to charge first. So that one is the brother one, and that one over there